6 cheap and chic ways to dress up walls without paint. In this example, blogger Agnes Hammer has found a way to hide nasty stains and nicks on a rental apartment's wall by using DIY peel and stick confetti, self-adhesive stickers that create a collage of different colors and shapes that make the occasional wall flaw look like part of the plan. Wall tapestries aren't just for college kids. While they are great for dressing up a dorm room, they're also a chic bohemian decor staple that can help warm up cold rooms. This stylish one from the Merry Thought couldn't be simpler, made from an ordinary canvas drop cloth and permanent ink markers. Here's an idea perfect for small spaces. It will spruce up boring white walls and your room decor, while also offering a way to cover up small holes created by picture frame hangers. Emily, from Everything Emily blog, used black washi tape to create a repeated plus pattern. Yep, this colorful textured mural of Kanye West was made using post-it notes in colors from the Electric Glow collection. It was created by two roommates, Emily Duda and Jamie Akashian, using nothing but sticky little pieces of paper. If you have a massive number of digital photos you want to display, print them all out and DIY this mesmerizing photo wall from IKEA Family Live. The trick to this brick look is making sure all the photos are printed at the same size and arranged in precise rows. Dressing up walls with fabric can be done in several different ways. In this example, an unsightly wall has been covered with a curtain. Don't want to mess with a curtain rod? You can staple fabric directly onto the wall. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.